குக்கரி சேனலை பார்த்து யார் வேணாலும் சமையல் பண்ணலாம். ஆனா சுவையான சமையல் பண்றது எப்படி? நான் இதயம் நல்லெண்ணெயில சமையல் பண்றேன். ஆஹா ஓஹோன்னு பாராட்டுறாங்க. நீங்களும் இதயம் நல்லெண்ணெயில சமையல் பண்ணுங்க, பாராட்ட வாங்குங்க.
தினம் தோறும் வாங்குவே இதயம் இதயம்.
Respected media friends, today is a great day for Indian Maritime University, where more than 2,000 pass-out students have been honored with degrees. And this is a significant growth of this university, because this university is meant for creating quality workforce for the maritime industry to grow faster. And nowadays in the competitive world, we'll have to stand taller, and we will have to stand with credibility and with creativity and with performance. So that is why, to make India one of the leading maritime nation by 2047, we are creating a lot of ecosystem here related to this industry, and I believe this university is playing a big role in it. And for your information, it's a very happy news for all of us that more and more women they are coming forward, joining here and graduating and taking diploma from this prestigious university to set their career well successful. So this is the journey under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi is happening in the country. In the last 11 years, whatever success story we have created in all the sector, whether it is port, efficiency, port operation, and port development, whether it is modernization, mechanization, digitization, technological incorporation, and with all kind of latest technology, we are creating such an ecosystem which is ultimately giving us the world status, global status, and creating a global benchmark. So I believe, as you know, there are two visions launched by Honorable Prime Minister: Maritime India Vision 2030, Maritime Amritkal Vision 2047. In both the vision, it is very clearly indicated and mentioned that by 2030, according to Indian Maritime Vision, India will become one of the top 10 shipbuilding nation in the world, and that is by 2030. And 2047 will be becoming one of the top 5 shipbuilding nation in the world. So to achieve that targeted destination, and we are all creating very, very efficient and kind of globally competitive infrastructure here, whether it is shipyard, for shipbuildings, and also for ship recycling centers, and also the ecosystem to create quality workforce. So that is why today we have kind of launched this new institute, Indian Ship Technology Center. So this is a remarkable initiative, and which will give us a lot of opportunity to create globally competent manpower, and which will ultimately, and in the sector of ship design and whatever is required, and also in association with the coastal state, whatever cluster we are going to develop, in that cluster development for shipbuilding, all others related related kind of industry, MSME sectors will come up to create kind of essential equipments and apparatus for shipbuilding. So this is how the kind of journey of maritime sector is growing faster under the leadership of Honorable Prime Ministers. In the recent past, you have seen that more than 70,000 crores has been approved for the faster growth of our shipbuilding, ship recycling, ship repairs, and all kind of ecosystem for the kind of skilling, upskilling, reskilling, and technological incorporation, innovation, because this maritime university is playing a big role for R&D, not only to create the graduate only, but in the sector of R&D, they are giving a lot of emphasis, and as a result, this university is going to become one of the top leading maritime university in the world, and which is definitely giving us a lot of boost in this sector for our first journey. Thank you.
Sir, we start a new university in Tamil Nadu. We start the new university in Tamil Nadu.
What?
New university open.
No, this is the main university.
That's the main university. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you just speak louder, please?
Cochin and Mazagaon docks.
CSL MDL announcement for Tamil Nadu 30,000 crores to shipyard to come in Toothukudi. Please elaborate on that. What type of ships will be built there? You know, when it's going to become operational?
Cochin Shipyard Limited, one of the leading shipbuilders in the country, and through their visible performances, it has been proved that they are the most competent globally. That is why they are getting the foreign orders also. It is not that only they are confined to domestic shipbuilding. They are also getting the orders from the foreign leading companies, and also some of the leading shipbuilding nations companies. They are also joining hand with them for bigger ship to build in India. So this is the power they have generated, and this is the confidence they have generated in the last so many years out of their outstanding performances.
Yeah, just a follow-up question. What type of ships will be built in that Toothukudi ship?
BLCC ship will come up,
Several lot,
and also
bigger
all
range,
kind of
all kinds of depends on what is the market requirement.
Okay, and when is it going to be operational? Because now we've announced that this is the investment.
We have set the target very clear that by 2030, according to Maritime India Vision, India will become one of the top 10 shipbuilding nation in the world. So accordingly, you can guess how in a faster mood we are going to create the ecosystem, infrastructure, facilities, everything to build a ship with global quality.
CSL and MDL are known to build, everything from aircraft carrier to destroyer class vessels for the Navy. Any possibility of those class of vessels being built in Tamil Nadu in Toothukudi?
Depends again on the market. It depends on the
As per
market
the demand.
and the orders and the demand.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
With your, I'll make one
yeah.
appeal, sir.
Yeah.
I will have one appeal because your local press in the university, the majority of the students, 30% are from Maharashtra and Kerala. I would like the students of Tamil Nadu to take more and more advantage of this facility that exists in the state.
Okay, thank you.
தூத்துக்குடி பஸ் இது ஓபன் பண்ணல போட் அது ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க சார்
என்ன?
ரீசெண்டா ஓபன் பண்ணீங்க
Hydrogen
In the facility?
Toothukudi port facility. Toothukudi port. Hydrogen plant.
What Mr. Raja had asked for this government of Buckingham.
Buckingham, sir.
இல்ல பக்கிங்ஹாம் கெனால் will be developed. அதுல சில பிரச்சனைகள்லாம் இருக்கு. சில இடத்துல என்க்ரோச்மெண்ட் இருக்கு, பிரிட்ஜ் இருக்கு, அப்புறம் வாட்டர் குவாலிட்டிலயும் குவான்டிட்டிலயும் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ அதெல்லாம் சரிப்படுத்திட்டு அந்த திட்டம் முன்னேற்றத்துக்கு எடுத்துக்கொள்ளப்படும்.
Okay, thank you.